explaining WIDEX UNIQUE AD converters and how they deliver the biggest soundscape in the industry. To ensure that important soft sounds won't be overheard, WIDEX UNIQUE lowers the floor down to 5 dB SPL, much lower than competing hearing aids. To make sure that users can hear louder sounds without artifacts, WIDEX UNIQUE has the highest ceiling in the industry at 113 dB SPL. So, with the highest and lowest input levels in the industry, WIDEX UNIQUE allows users to hear from the softest to the loudest sounds in their environment for a total of 108 dB linear input range. The 113 dB SPL upper limit means fewer artifacts in noisy environments. 5 dB SPL lower limit gives access to more soft-level sounds. 4 dedicated AD converters deliver full feature functionality with all input types. And linear throughout the range means a full soundscape across the whole frequency range. WIDEX UNIQUE delivers a more complete overall listening experience, allowing users to live life large.